Alright, here we go. Holy shit, I gotta clean this son of a bitch out. Alright. There she is. Yes. Yeah. That's a printer. Okay. So, unboxing this son of a bitch. Yeah. Okay, well, you got this thing, and, getting started guide. Ooh, we might need that later. Let's see. Alright. Try this again. Hey, look, a hand-signed letter from the guys at ROBO3D. Congratulations, proud owner of a ROBO3D R1 personal 3D printer. Network provided accounts. Caution, warning, choking hazard. Don't plug it in yet until you set the voltage. Okay, so, all right, make sure we do that. I'll do la 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 la. Okay. As you can see, it's filming in it already. It was done. It's filming now. Alright. There's your unboxing video, kids. You see it's got some tape on it already. I'll probably play with that for now and see if I can get it to work. If not, I'll go and get some of those nice painter's tape base plates that they have now. Since 3D printing is sort of a thing. I need software. Ooh, look at that, the R2 is out. That's okay. I don't have money for an R2. Or a D2 for that matter. Oh, done. Good. Fantastic. La 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 la. La la la. Holy shit. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, close that. Yeah, sure. Okay, I've had to do a little cleaning on this thing because last time I used it, it got all kinds of messed up. The extruder was like covered in plastic because the thing screwed up during a print and never fixed it. So now I'm actually working on getting it repaired, so to speak, and properly working. So I got the extruder all cleaned off. You can't see it from that angle, but now I gotta get some high thermal capacity tape. Stick some tape on there to protect it from getting screwed up again, and then I think we'll actually be ready to print. I've got Matter Control working on the Mac now, and we should be in business. Heading out to Anaheim, yeah, yeah. Gotta go to Fry's, cause I know where the 3D printing stuff is. And to be honest, they've probably got a little bit more selection than Micro Center because they actually carry the ROBO3D stuff. Versus Micro Center's got the Maker Box. Oh, there goes Ponch and John. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yes, Fry's Electronics. Everything in this store pretty much causes cancer, at least in California. Oh, the Anaheim Fries, also known as Nassaheim. Here's the stuff. And go ahead and grab it just in case. And some of this shit too. Why not? Why not? Well, it's not balls, but it'll do. We're gonna kick it old school. man, that's good. That is good. So a couple of things I like about fries. It's big, for one. And fries is a little more specialized towards components, electrical components, things like that. They have a much larger selection of componentware versus Micro Center is more hardware and completed stuff or kits. So they have the pros and cons. As far as computers, computer components, anything like that, I prefer Micro Center. But when it comes down to essentially a replacement for Radio Shack, I'm going to go to Fry's. I also like Fry's because they have a lot more random shit. Like a random dash cam stocking stuffer thing, you know, for $40, whatever. And, you know, they have a lot of as seen on TV kind of stuff, and, you know, just goofy stuff like that. That's what I like about Fry's versus Micro Center. But again, they have their merits, they have their individual pros and cons. Now, of course, they don't sell balls at Fry's, so I got Mountain Dew, which is fine. It's a good Mountain Dew. I've never had this throwback Mountain Dew with the real sugar. Pretty darn good. Okay, so they didn't have any Captain Tape at Fry's. Well, they had Captain Tape. They had this stuff you saw, but they don't have the adhesive kind. So we're just gonna wing it. The first thing we gotta do is just calibrate this thing. Okay. So it's doing something. It's doing something. Is extruding, sort of. It's not doing it right though. It's way high. It's just pushing out a big blob of plastic. That's all it is, just push out a big glob of plastic. But for some reason it thinks Z is way higher than it is, or way lower than it is. Well, that's not working either. Oh shit, that's... Well, that's why. It's just resting on the... Alright, let's give it a shot. Why are you going up so high? Okay, it's sort of vaguely working. I'm going to take the dogs for a walk. I'll come back and see what happens. Alright, third time's the charm here. Let's see what we get. Holy shit, it's done. It's done. It's done. That is a genuine 3D printed widget. Look at that. This is supposed to be a calibration test. You're supposed to put a nickel in there and see if it matches up. So, hang on a minute. Okay, so there's my calibration widget, and there is a good old Thomas Jefferson. And it kind of doesn't go in, but I think that is due to the thermal contraction of the plastic. This is PLA. I think ABS actually contracts more though. I don't know, so maybe I'll play around with the settings on that. But it does go through this one pretty easily, and it goes through this guy fairly easily. So looks like, all in all, looks like we're doing okay. And so that's setting up and getting started on a 3D printer. I'll write some more about this later. And yep, we'll see you soon.